Hello?
Hello. It has been detected that you are a scammer.
Fuck you, fucker, fucking,
Hello?
fuck you, motherfucker, fuck you, motherfucker.
You are a scammer.
Okay, cool.
I'm not asking about the card number. I'm asking your name, sir.
XBB. That's X-ray, Bravo. 2376. J for Juliet. N for November. 72. W for Whiskey. L for Lima. F for Foxtrot. S for Sierra. So XXBB 2376. JN72WLFS. Yeah, so is that okay?
Can I have your name?
Is it paid off now? Because yeah, I just really don't want to get into any more trouble with the IRS. So yeah.
Yes, can I have your name?
Okay, and scammers.
Can I have your name?
It has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you
Officer Doug McKenzie calling from the Canadian IRS service. Actually, we have a person here that said they got a phone call from you. Just need to answer a couple questions here. Hold on one second.
Okay, take your time.
Hello. It has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming.
Hello? No. Yes. Hello? You fucking piece of shit. Why do you keep calling this number, huh? Huh? Tell me.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you better. Loud and clear.
I got a call saying that I owe some money to the IRS.
Alright, may I have your first and last name?
You're breaking up a little bit. Hold on one second.
Alright, now can you hear me?
Hello. It has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. Hello. It has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people.
Alright.
This will not stop until you
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, how may I help you?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I got a call saying that I owe some money to the IRS.
May I know
You're
your
breaking
good
up
name?
a little bit. Hold on one second.
Okay.
Hello. It has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you
forever. That makes you my prisoner.
additional people. Hello. It has been detected that you are a scammer.
Fuck you. I don't give a shit.
Hello.
You can
It
call
has been
me.
detected that you are a scammer.
Crime investigation
hello.
department of IRS. How may I help you? Iyaga
Oh shit. Holy shit. Hello? Hello? You fucking piece of shit. Hello?
And his name is John!
Hi.
Investigation department of the IRS. How can I help you?
And his name is John C.
General Revenue Service.
You called saying I have a warrant out and I owe money?
Alright, with whom
And
I'm speaking
how
right
much
now?
did I owe?
Regional Revenue Service Investigation Department. How may I help you? Hey, fucker! Talk to me.
Hello? Fuck you.
Hello.
What happened
it has
to
been
you, huh?
detected that you are a scammer.
The Internal
Yo, what's
Revenue
up, dude?
Service, and I was wondering
Fuck
if
you.
this is the right place to call back.
Come on, man, let's get down to business. I just need a little chit-chat with you.
Hold on, you're breaking up a bit. Give me just 1 sec. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Come on, man. I know you can hear me loud and clear.
I don't think I can get that many more punches on the Subway card. So you'll have to hit up a few Subway sandwiches before you can actually retrieve the free sub. But I'll tell you what. I'll leave it outside my nearest Subway. You have my info. You can just take a look at where it is and hit me up there and get yourself a nice tasty sandwich. Alright, have a good one. Bye.
Fuck you.
तो इस बार हम उसको देगा सिर्फ 500 रुपया